In this video, we're going to show you how to fix Claude Code session degrading after 1 hour of use. When using Claude Code for extended periods, you may notice that performance gradually decreases over time. Responses may become less accurate, instructions may be partially followed, or the overall reasoning quality may feel weaker compared to earlier in the session. This is a common behavior in long-running sessions and is usually caused by context accumulation, token saturation, or excessive conversational history building up in the background. As the session grows, Claude has to process more stored information with every request, which can affect both speed and consistency. The good news is that this issue can be managed effectively with a few simple workflow adjustments. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to keep Claude Code sessions stable and high-performing, even during long development work. So, let's get started. The first method is to periodically reset or refresh your session. Instead of running a single, long conversation for hours, break your work into smaller session blocks. When you reach a natural checkpoint, such as completing a feature or finishing a debugging step, start a new session and provide a short summary of what has been done so far. This helps reduce context overload and restores full model performance. Next, use concise summaries instead of carrying full history forward. When continuing work, avoid pasting entire conversations or large logs. Instead, summarize only the key decisions, current state, and next objective. This keeps the context lean and focused on what is actually important. Another effective method is to use external storage for stable information. Move completed explanations, architecture notes, and reference material into local files or documentation. This prevents unnecessary accumulation of long context inside the session. In most situations, combining session resets with structured summaries is enough to maintain consistent performance over time. Now, let's quickly recap what we covered. First, break long sessions into smaller blocks and restart when appropriate. Second, use concise summaries instead of carrying full conversation history. And third, offload stable or completed information into external documentation. Remember that session degradation is usually not a model issue, but a context management issue. As the conversation grows, efficiency naturally decreases unless you actively manage what stays in the context window. Keeping sessions clean and structured helps Claude maintain better reasoning quality and responsiveness. It also reduces the risk of losing focus or mixing old instructions with new tasks. A disciplined session workflow can significantly improve long-term productivity when working with Claude Code. And that's how to fix Claude Code session degrading after 1 hour of use. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Claude and other AI tools. Your support helps us create more tutorials, productivity guides, and practical AI workflows to help you get better results from your projects. If there's another Claude Code feature or workflow you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.